Okay, we got a box of challenge locks in through the mail, and let's open them up and see what we have. Let's see here. Okay, we got a 5-pin Baldwin, Reading, Pennsylvania, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 Sargent locks. They all look like they're probably a 6-pin. Okay, those work. These are all challenge locks. They have been pinned. Let's try this Baldwin right out of the box, since it is a 5-pinner. I know those 6-pinners, I'll probably have to practice on them a little bit. Okay. Okay, the lock is locked. Okay, we're going to try top of the keyway, and we'll try this pick to start with. See if we can get her all the way to the back. Okay, number 3, I believe, give us a little false set. Okay, a little bit out of number 5, I believe. Okay, that one was the wrong pin. Okay, got a little bit out of the number 3 of false set then. Okay, that's number 4. Felt like number 5 give just a little. Okay, there was number 3 again, I believe. Might have been number 2. A little bit more out of number 3. Okay, that's number 4. Okay, it opened. Alright, let's see what we have in it. Okay, let's see what we're going to need here. Okay, let's see. Don't want to dump all the pins out. Okay, looks like standard on number 1. Number 2 standard. Number 3 is standard. 4 and 5 are standard. This is the plug. Nothing fancy about it. Alright, let's see what kind of pins we have in the upper portion. Okay, there's a, looks like a spool. And looks like another spool. And that's another spool. Okay, and it's another spool. And that is a another spool. So it has 5 spools. We'll mark all these other locks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we pick them. We know which ones we picked, but they're all supposed to be pinned differently. But they all are Sargent. Okay, please stay out of trouble. Do not do anything illegal. And thank you for your time. I appreciate it. See if we can zoom in just a little bit. All right, thank you.